Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through how to assemble your custom Atelier Shelving Unit, step by step, for whichever mounting style you've chosen. Before you start, make sure you have all the parts ready. The components you receive may vary depending on your custom order, so you might not have every part shown here. In general, your kit should include Atelier bracket arms, mounting flanges with or without holes, bracket posts with or without holes, end caps, grub screws, an Allen key, set screws, and different lengths of metal tubes. Start by taking one of the tubes and sliding the bracket arms onto it. Space the arms evenly according to your shelf design. Next, slide a flange onto the top end of the tube and a bracket post onto the bottom. If your product includes, add end caps for a clean finish. Once everything is in place, tighten all the connections using the grub screws and Allen key. Now position the assembled frame against the wall. Use a pencil to mark where the screws will go, then drill holes at those points. Reposition the frame and fasten it securely with the set screws. If your brackets don't have screw holes, apply caulk or adhesive where the brackets meet the surface using a caulking gun. Carefully press them into place and cover with tape to hold them while they set. Repeat this step for all remaining brackets. Finish by placing the shelving bases onto the shelf arms. For this style, begin by sliding the bracket arms onto a metal tube. Arrange them evenly, matching your preferred shelf layout. Then, attach flanges to both ends of the tube. Tighten everything firmly using the Allen key and grub screws. Next, set the ladder frames in their installation spots. Mark the flange screw holes with a pencil, drill at the markings, and then position the ladders. Secure everything using the set screws. If your flanges don't have holes, apply a line of caulk or adhesive to the flange positions using a caulking gun. Press the flanges carefully back into place and cover them with tape to hold while they dry. Lastly, lay the shelving bases on the arms, and your structure will begin to take shape. For the wall-mounted setup, take a tube and slide the bracket arms onto it. Evenly space the arms to match your shelf plan. Then, add the brackets to both ends of the tube, inserting the end caps if your unit includes them. Tighten everything securely with the grub screws and Allen key. Now hold the ladder frame up to the wall where you'd like to mount it. Once you're happy with the position, mark the screw holes with a pencil. Drill at those points. Then place the frame back in position and fasten it using the set screws. For brackets without screw holes, apply caulk or adhesive to the mounting surface using a caulking gun. Press the brackets into place and tape them securely while the adhesive sets. When all brackets are fixed, set the shelving bases onto the arms, completing your wall-mounted unit. Start by sliding the bracket arms onto a tube and arranging them evenly to match your layout. Attach a bracket to the top end and a flange to the bottom end of the tube. If your product includes, add end caps for a clean finish. Tighten all parts using the grub screws and Allen key. Position the ladders where you plan to install them. Mark the screw holes for both the bracket and the flange, then drill at those points. Put the ladders back in place and secure everything with the set screws. For flanges without screw holes, apply caulk or adhesive to the contact points using a caulking gun. Gently reposition the flanges and hold them in place with tape until dry. Finally, place the shelving bases onto the shelf arms to complete your setup. And that's it! With these simple steps, you can confidently assemble your custom Atelier shelving unit for any mounting style.